Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I will guide you through logging into the Everand app, your gateway to a vast library of ebooks, audiobooks and more. So let's get started. First, locate and tap on the Everand icon on your device to open it. Tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on Sign In button. Now here, enter your registered email address and the password associated with your Everand account. Alternatively, you can choose to sign in using your Google, Facebook or Apple ID by tapping the respective option. Now just tap on the tick box. If you cannot remember your password, just tap on Forgot Password to retrieve it via email. After entering your credentials, tap on Continue to access your Everand account. As you can see, a verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that real quick. Okay, here's my OTP. And tap Continue. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any login issues. And yes, that's it. You have successfully logged into the Everand app and now have access to a world of reading and listening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to guides and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.